Thank you so much to everyone who reacted on the video that I posted last week. I'll be more than happy to help you guys in your sound engineering journey. And we're gonna start on my, but they don't know how to use them. Most of people don't know how to use them. And we're gonna learn how to connect these cables from your mixer to your speakers, how to place your speakers in a room. We're gonna learn how to place your speakers and everything. The main focus is gonna be on connections because I know a lot of people always struggle on connect. So we're gonna be using two different languages because I want everyone to understand what we're talking about. And like I just want us to be on the same page. I want us to be on the same page. So one thing that I'm gonna ask you guys, just subscribe on my YouTube channel and don't forget to follow my Facebook because we're going to be using two social media platforms, which is YouTube and Facebook. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. And if you have a question or anything, just reach out on me on my Facebook and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching. So I know everyone is familiar with this kind of equipment. We have cables, we have microphones, we have drums microphones, like we have drums, we have guitars, we have pianos here, like keyboards. And this is the mixer that we're going to be using. I know everybody's familiar with the digital mixer, Behringer. This is the mixer that we're going to be using to learn everything. These are the speakers. So we're going to be using a UBL sub. It's an 18-inch sub. This is like a stage monitor that we're going to be using. And we got a QSC as tops. We're going to be using them as tops. Yeah, I'm just using a small room. That's why I'm not putting a lot of things. Yeah, but these are the things that we're going to be using. And this is my favorite studio microphone. The quality of this microphone is really amazing. And it's an expensive microphone. Yeah, so guys, stay tuned. We're going to post our first video on Monday. And stay tuned.